Hey friends! So many of you are not vacationing well, and I want to teach you some of the tricks and tips for how to have a great vacation the next time you go on one. We're hitting summer, so it's time to put on your sun hats. Here are some of the things that I'm noticing in my clients that are getting in the way of them vacationing well. So for you Type A folks, it's always you Type A'ers, there's a way that you're approaching vacation that's so wound up and so anxious that you can't even slow down and enjoy the vacation. So is this you? Kind of get all these things. I got to pack all this stuff. I got to remember this and I can't forget this. And there's this and this. And it's like, okay, so you're even starting the vacation in stress. The vacation. So step one, your vacation starts when you're packing, right then. So you've got to change your mindset to, I have to achieve this goal. I have to get to the place. I have to like, nope, it's a journey. And the journey starts as I'm packing. Slow down in your mind. Hey, take it easy. Like start imagining and envisioning and anticipating, like, what are the cool things I'm going to be doing while I'm on vacation? That is your mindset as you pack. And don't pack all by yourself. Usually, so this isn't me putting down moms actually, because moms do a lot of work in this world. What it is a little nudge towards how about you guys as a family pack and approach it in this sort of fun way where you're all putting things together. If you got kids, having them thinking about, hey, what are the things you want to be doing while you're on this vacation? All right, I'm giving them a bag themselves of like toys or whatever else. So like you start thinking, what are the things you want to pack for your good vacation experience? Instead of you as mom or dad, if you're Type A plus dad, like overthinking it and trying to solve it all for them. You're trying to teach to the people in your family and like coordinate as a team. Let's pack together. But so that's step one. Vacation starts when we're packing. Slow down. It's a journey. Take your time. And then so once you get your stuff packed and you finally have the stuff down, like maybe you have it staged by the car because I know you're a Type A plus personality, so you probably have it staged. I'm looking at you. So then next it's, okay, go to sleep. When you wake up, still, it's a journey. It's not about getting right there. You wake up early enough if you're going to the airport to like be in this space still. So like another area where people are making a mistake is they're so short on time that how could you be stressed? You're like, so it's like really plan a lot of extra time. If you're going to the airport, even if you have a shorter airport, give yourself 3 or 4 hours. Even in the airport, you're still on vacation. The vacation has already started. You're driving slowly to the airport. You're finding your car, parking spot. If you do it that way, you're taking your stuff, you're going through the line, but you've got to it's really a different mindset when you vacation well of we're already on the vacation. This is part of the stuff. Slow down. We get there when we get there. When you think of what you're going to do on the plane, you're reading, that's part of the vacation too. That I don't have to be in my house anymore. I don't have to be doing responsibilities anymore. I can read a book and give your kids things to do like that. There's more I have to say about this. I'm probably going to have to do it in another video, but please like and subscribe if you would like to see more of these videos. Leave your comments below about how you vacation and get into that vacation mindset. And then also, if you would like to see me as a therapist, visit www.therapistintstlouis.com.